Hello everybody, welcome to the second episode of Cooking Addiction. Today I'm here with another exciting Goan recipe which is known as Guava Cheese, which is commonly known as Perade in Goa. To make this we will require 3 kg of freshly ripe guavas pureed, 2 kg of sugar, food color optional, 100 grams of rice flour for thickening and dusting, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. So the next step is wash and boil the fruit and then separate the seeds portion and the flesh portion and grind them separately. After that, strain both the mixtures together. So this is the fresh puree which I'm putting into the copper vessel. After that, you add the sugar. Food coloring. If you're allergic to food color, you can skip this step. Then mix it thoroughly till the sugar and the food color are nicely incorporated into the puree. Now this mixture is almost ready to be cooked. As you all know, I'll be cooking this sweet on the wood fire, so this fire is perfect for cooking of this dish. Next, you place the copper vessel on the fire. Once the utensil is kept on the fire, keep stirring it continuously. So now you can see the mixture has started boiling. So once the mixture starts boiling, you add the rice flour little at a time and keep stirring it at the same time. Whenever you're making this sweet, make sure the heat is as low as possible because there's high amount of sugar present which will caramelize the mixture if the heat goes high. So once the mixture is almost cooked and it's a little thick, you add the clarified butter and keep stirring it. I'm not using any big fancy platters, I just use some plates and big lids which I have dusted with rice flour. You can also remove the sweet on a flat surface, but make sure that you dust it properly, otherwise it will be very difficult to remove once it gets cooled. So once you remove the sweet, quickly spread it because it will be difficult to spread once it gets cooled. Once it is cooled, you can cut it into squares and diamonds. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get notified about my new videos. If you have any questions and suggestions, you can comment below. Till then, I will see you next time in my third episode.